Meron na namang isang hindi kilalang Pilipinong boksingero ang ginulat ang mundo ng boxing matapos ang isa na namang brutal na knockout na panalo kontra sa isang South African World Champion. Bago ang laban ay sobrang napakadihado nitong ating kababayan dahil isang dating IBF World Champion ang makakalaban niyang boksingero. Ang South African fighter na si Kisunati Joyi na may impresibong kartada na 24 wins with 17 knockouts at may 2 talo lang. Habang itong ating kababayan na si Ray Loreto na may alias na The Hitman ay mayroong hindi gaanong kagandahang kartada na may 17 na panalo with 9 knockouts at may 13 talo na. Kaya naman, mataas ang kumpiyansa ng mga manonood na kakainin lamang ng buhay nitong Afrikano itong ating pambato. Pero yun pala ay isang maling akala dahil tangan-tangan pala nitong ating bida ang mabibigat na kamao na di umano'y mas malakas pa kaysa dito kay Janriel Casimero. Kaya naman, sa loob lamang ng 3 round ay pinatulog na nito ang dating world champion na Afrikano. Kaya naman heto at samahan niyo kong balikan ang makapanindig balahibong sagupaan nitong isang mahusay na South African World Champion kontra sa hindi kilala nating kababayan. Pero bago yan, pakilike mo muna itong ating video at pakisubscribe na rin itong ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat mga sir. Sa pagsisimula ng round 1, ay sinusukat muna ng dating world champion itong ating kababayan. Ngunit itong si Ray Loreto ay umatake na agad at pinamalas niya ang husay niya pagdating sa counter-punching at pinatikim na din niya ang lakas ng kanyang kaliwang kamao dito sa Afrikano.
Fight against Alessio Komani, which he won. Takes the right hand now from Loreto.
He's just working his way in now, picking his punches, takes his time. He's such a cool man as this Kisunati Joyi. You can see why he's a 2-time world champion. Lost of course in a title fight to Henry Butler in South Africa. A close fight and a good fight.
Loreto has been stopped before in 2011 on the 3rd of March in Thailand by Parker Rock in round number 2. Just to look at their record to see that Joyi himself also has been stopped. Round number 7 out in Mexico, stopped by Mario Rodriguez. That's when he lost the IBF middleweight title. But he was regrouped. That's a great victory coming to this fight because he beat Benson Alanoy and the Emperor's Palace round number 9 at the Palace of South Africa.
Sa pagtungtong ng round number 2 ay nakikipagsabayan na dito kay Ray Loreto itong Afrikano. Gayunpaman, ito ay isang malaking pagkakamali dahil mas nananaig sa palitan ng suntok ang ating kababayan dahil mas mabibigat na mga kamao ang kanyang pinapakawalan. Kaya naman, dito ay nasaktan na ang South African niyang kalaban. Pinaulanan ng magkakasunod na suntok ng Pinoy ang kanyang kalabang African at maswerte na nga lang ito at na-save by the bell.
Stop! Need to get the stool out of the corner there. They've just done that as we go into round number 2 for this vacant title. 2 southpaws. Loreto from the Philippines, Joyi from South Africa.
A good work to the body from Joyi. Throws it right chair. Sets his man up.
Interesting to see Joyi throughout his career fighting southpaw. Very interesting story on how he even began boxing as he kept on going to the gym, carrying someone's bag, and then they said, okay, we're gonna fight Ahmed now. And then he stood in an orthodox stance. They said, no, turn around, stand this way, and he switched and he stood southpaw, and they introduced him to amateur boxing. They only fetch him on Fridays though, because they were teaching him how to jab from that unorthodox stance. So they said, if you fetch him on a Monday and he's fighting on the Saturday, he's going to forget. So get him on the Friday, show him how to jab, and then on Saturday he gets to fight in the amateurs. That's exactly how he became a southpaw, and he's become a really good southpaw. Look at how he's adjusted to Loreto's style. He's taking him up and out.
Brilliant story from Ronnie. Humble little man. We went to interview him at his house in Oldetsaan in Eastern Cape, and he's a really terrific little guy. And a fighter off note as he banks that body with the right hand. There's an IBO Junior Flyweight World title at stake. So Loreto, the Hitman as his nickname, I'm sure he's going to want that title as well. But he's got his hands full here with Mahomie Nkosinathi Joy from South Africa.
It's Joy who is taking the fight to Loreto. He's trying to establish the rhythm and just the range, the distance with the right hand jab.
Loreto's felt that power to the body. Nice stuff. Let's say the trainer shouting from the corner up and down. Exactly what he did.
This starts by the right man.
And well, let's watch the replay. Here comes the left hand over the top, right hand, boom, big left hand on the button, catches Joy, boom, another left hand, right hand, left hand, boom, and then left hand.
Pero sa pagtungtong ng pangatlong round, ay tila hilo pa rin itong Afrikano. Kaya naman ay dito ay binuhos na nitong si Ray Loreto ang kanyang buong lakas upang tapusin na ang kanyang kalaban.
Still fighting under pressure. Joy trying to establish the left jab. Joy is also quite a decent puncher too. And he's dropped his guard. His corner told him repeatedly to keep his guards up.
Unbelievable stuff from Hitman Ray Loreto from the Philippines. He's stopped Joy. That's all over. He doesn't need to get one set here in Monte Carlo for the IBO Junior Flyweight Championship of the world. Ray Loreto from the Philippines is the new champion, and it's a big upset. Obviously a big upset for South African boxing, but a big upset for trainer Gert Strydom and Sapati Honey, the manager, and of course the man himself, Nkosinathi.
At dahil sa brutal na pagkatalo, ay tila hindi ito matanggap ng Afrikano. Kaya naman, humiling ito ng isang rematch sa ating kababayan. At makalipas lang ang mahigit isang taon, ay napagbigyan nga ito. Na kung saan ay dinayo pa siya ng ating bida doon sa mismong baluarte nila sa South Africa. Matapang na tinanggap ng ating kababayan ang laban dahil nais niya din patunayan na hindi tsamba ang una niyang pagkapanalo kontra dito sa Afrikano. Kagaya sa nauna nilang laban, ay muling pinatulog ni The Hitman ang kanyang kalabang South African sa loob lamang ng unang round. At sa panatili nito ang kanyang IBO Light Flyweight World Title. So yun lamang ang video natin sa araw na to. Mag-iwan lamang na inyong komento at huwag mo sana kalimutang mag-like or mag-subscribe. At i-share na rin ang ating video. At muli, daghang salamat.